Aworo, and aworo, ya aworo, and aworo, ya Ban Piende, 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 Ban Piende.
Hello everyone, welcome to Ban Piende dance tutorial presented by Tombo. My name is Aloch, a dancer from Kenya, and today we're going to learn how to dance to the hit song Ban Piende. Ban Piende is a theme song for African Shubran Tombo. Tombo is a shule inspired by African music, and I'm rocking mine today. So make sure to get you to a pair on mytombos.com. The song was created by Macadam, one of Kenya's most prominent contemporary artists, and I can't wait to get started. So let's get those dancing feet up, energy up. Are you ready? Let's go. This is our first move. We're gonna start on our right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you have it? Let me do it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those who find it difficult, you can do the second part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's go to the music.
Ban Piende, 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 Ban Piende. Ban Piende, Ban Piende, Ban Piende, Ban Piende, Ban Piende, Ban Piende,
So that is the second part of Ban Piende. I'll show you a simpler version. So open your legs, bend your knees, hands out. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the second part, go down, then swing your arms on the legs on the same side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Got it? Let's do it again. Nice. So the third part, take our legs to the front, and don't forget to shake your shoulders. Shaky, shaky. Nice. Well done. That's it. Nice. Do you have it? Let's do it to the music.
Ban Piende, 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 Ban Piende.
Now let's do the whole dance together. Are you ready? Let's go!
Boro primary school, in the village Boro secondary school. Ban Piende, 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 Ban Piende.
So, Lorietta, what a great dance tutorial that was.
Thank you.
Did you enjoy it?
I really did.
Ah,
I mean,
nice. So I just wanted to ask you, why are you excited to work with the brand Tombo?
The first time I saw the shoes on social media, I was like, it was awesome. I like the African concept on it. That's why I felt like I really need to do this and to work with Tombo because it embraces where I come from, my heritage, that is African.
Nice. So, and the other question I wanted to ask you is, what does the future hold for African music and dance shoes?
Okay, first of all, for me, I believe that there is no future without African music. I just, for us, are like artists from the African continent to rise and embrace it as it was way back. Because I believe we are so much talented, and when we work together, we are going to push it. And not like for shoes like this. I even thought like it would really be nice if all the African shoes we made with this African concept. It will be awesome.
Ah, nice. Thank you so much.
Thanks for joining us for the dance tutorial. I hope you got to learn something and enjoy it as much as I did. I hope to see you dancing it somewhere. Kwaheri.
Are you dancing? Are you bouncing? Are you jumping? Are you bumping?